Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today I have a little test for you. Since we are done with the pronunciation course, I thought it would be nice to test you and see if you remember all the rules and all the little exceptions that we've seen. So this test is only 10 questions. Every time you will have a word at the top of the screen that I will not read. I will not pronounce that word, but I will give you 4 or 2 different choices for the pronunciation. Every time you will have choices with more of the regular writing, and then you will have the IPA. I will read the 4 choices and you just need to find which one is the one on top of the screen. This is very easy. I'm sure if you follow the whole course, you can totally do it. So let's get started. Question numéro 1. How do you pronounce these 2 words together? A. 9 ans. B. 9 ans. C. 9 anus. D. 9 ans. And the answer is B. 9 ans with the link. Question numéro 2. How do you pronounce this word? A. Maintenant. B. Maintenant. C. Maintenant. D. Maintenant. The answer is B. Maintenant. We don't pronounce the E and we don't pronounce the T at the end. Question numéro 3. Looking only at the IPA, can you find the word? Is it A, O-E-I-L? Or is it B, O-E-I-L-L-E? And the answer is A, it's œil, which means an eye. Question numéro 4. Which one is the sound E at the end of words? A, A-I-S, B, E-T, C, A-I, D, A-I-E-N-T. The answer is C, A-I. A-I make the sound E, A-I-S, E-T and A-I-E-N-T make the sound E. Question numéro 5. How do you pronounce these 2 words? A. Le chat. B. Le chat. C. Le cat. D. Le chat. And the answer is D. Le chat. We don't pronounce the T at the end. Question numéro 6. How do you pronounce this word? Is it A. Teint? Is it B. Temps? Is it C. Tim? Or is it D. Time? The answer is A. It's teint. YM make the sound 1 and we don't pronounce the H. Question numéro 7. If we look at this word, do we pronounce it with a long A as am or with a short A as am? Is it A with a long A or B with a short A? The answer is A with a long A. We pronounce it am. Question numéro 8. How do you pronounce these 2 words? Is it A. une soirée. B, une soirée. C, une soirée. Ou D, une soirée. And the answer is B, une soirée. So we don't pronounce the E at une, we don't pronounce the final E either at soirée, and OI make the sound wa. Question numéro 9. In this word, is the S pronounced S or Z? So A for S, B for Z. The word is pronounced raser, raser. The S is pronounced as a Z because it's between two vowels. And question numéro 10. How do you pronounce these two words? Is it A, les cheveux, B, les cheveux, C, les cheveux, ou D, les cheveux? And the answer is C. It's les cheveux. So ES make the sound E, and then we keep the E in the middle, and we don't pronounce the X at the end. EU is an open sound. Cheveux. That's it for the test. Please let me know how well you did in the comment section. If you have a question, also leave me a comment. I will do my best to help you. I really hope you enjoyed this test, and I will see you next week for another lesson. À la semaine prochaine.